everyone. So today I wanted to share with you one of the biggest reasons why I love living in a van. And if you've been following my channel or you've been on my live streams, I have talked about my dad's health is not the best right now. And living in this van, even though this last week I've either been living in a hospital or at I've been sleeping inside my dad's house. I still have my van with me, which gives me everything that I need at my own discretion. I need to change the clothes. I need to go somewhere. I have food in my refrigerator. I have my coffee for the morning. I have a place to go that I'm not very far away. I'm out in his driveway, so if they need me, they can call me and I can run in. I don't have to go clear across town. I don't have to worry about cutting my grass, turning off my water if it's gonna freeze tonight because we are in Michigan. I don't have to worry about a lot of things. I can focus my attention 100% on my dad. And when he gets feeling better, I can pick my house up and move it anywhere I want. And so me living in a van has been quite the blessing. And it is saving me money, and it is giving me the freedom to travel. I spent at the beginning of September a whole week in Texas at VidSummit. I've went over to some meetups in Michigan. And then now I'm here helping my dad, which to me, family is very important. If you go back to some of my live streams, I have a live stream where I'm live streaming in my van or my house, and my grandson comes out of his house and comes to my house and pops on my live and says hi to all you guys. And that, to me, makes life freedom for me, because I get to spend time with my family, but I get my own space. There's been times where I've waken up at my grandson's house or my daughter's house, and my grandson, before he goes to school, gives me a hug. It's amazing. He comes, he knocks on my door, he comes in and says hi, and he loves Amy and gives me a hug and goes to school. And he'll ask me if I'm gonna be at his house when he gets home. And I don't have to worry about cluttering up their house or getting in their way, because I'm in my own house in their driveway. I have my own away time. I have opportunities to go to different cities. I cook and I clean, I eat in my van. Now, when I'm with my dad, he loves to go out to eat, so I will go get him food right now because he's not able to get out to the restaurants. But this van has made my life that is already diversified even more versatile. And it's given me less worries. The solar on the roof keeps my refrigerator going. It keeps my lights on. I don't have to think about a light bill. I don't have to think about a water bill, a gas bill. I just had to put gas in my car and gas in my diesel heater, or diesel fuel in my diesel tank. it's a lot less stressful. So thank you all for coming along with me in my home, the van or the spaceship, because I have now called it a spaceship. And I really enjoyed you guys coming to my lives and talking to me. That has made a big difference. And especially during this hard times, when you show up, it's a familiar YouTube channel or a familiar icon. Maybe I don't know your face behind the channel, or maybe I do because some of you I have met. But I want you all to know that when you show up to my live stream, it means a lot to me and it makes me happy to see you guys come. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch these videos and subscribe and helping me build my day job that works around me taking care of my dad, me spending time with my family, or me traveling. And I'm so glad I get to share the experience with you guys. So if you see me out and about in my spaceship, say hi to me. I always am looking forward to meeting all of you guys. And I plan on going to M25 next year. That is in September, the 3rd week. So if you guys have never been there and are camping, whatever rig, whether it be a van, whether it be a camper, come out and enjoy karaoke, DJing, bonfires, conversations, get to know people, get to meet me, get to meet other travel channels. It's a great time, but it is more for getting to know people and talking. We're hoping to start putting more YouTube stuff on it, but we'll see where it goes. Until then, safe travels, keep your chin up. So will I. I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Bye.